Hello and welcome back to a new ADV Freedom video. Today I'm with my Honda Transalp 750 model 2024, and today's video I'm going to install USB an USB charger on the dash. This is a quick charger. Got it from AliExpress. Looks like it's packaged pretty well. This is the charger. Uh, it has like a cover for rain, and it comes packaged pretty well. It has a USB-C and a USB-A connection. So blue with a USB-A quick charger, and also has a PD 45 watts USB-C connector, and I think it displays also the volts in the middle. So it comes with everything you need to put it on. Maybe if you want to solder the wire, but what is it? Yeah, so how many amps is this? 10 amp on the wire. So this will go in the Honda connector, and this is gonna go into this. So I don't know, this is plus. Okay, so red is plus, black is minus. So wire, I don't need this connector. So let's go to the bike and open the dash, and I'll show you how to install. So as you can see, I already have like when the bike came, I was looking for one, so I took one from the AliExpress, whatever it was. The quick charger was not available, so I have the regular charger right now. The reason for me to change this inside this bag, the tank bag, I have a big battery now, and this charger doesn't quite charge the battery as fast as I want to for the day to the camp. So I have the phone here, and also it goes into the battery. So I'm going to change this with the quick shifter. I'm going to change this with the quick charging, the USB. So in order for you to do this, you have to um, undo this bolt, and there are right here, there's a clip and also one on the other side. So you have to take this to take the dash out, and behind the dash there is the connector. It should be pretty easy. I'm gonna take my phone out. All right, so let's take this bolts out. There's one. Let's take the second one out. That's two. And in order to take this uh, these pins or whatever, you have to push in the middle. So you have to push here right in the middle to release it, and it will come off. You can buy this on Amazon. There's a lot of stuff like this. I already lost the one on the other side, so it is what it is. And I didn't order a new one yet. Okay, so with that being said and done, you pull this out. There are actually two holders there, and you're gonna try to pull from this side, and if you do it gently, you will be able to take it off. Okay, all right, so Um, let's move here in behind this. All right, so this is you see, this is the USB that I already have here. I'm gonna undo this, and the cable goes, there is a connector. Let me take light. All right, so this is the connector. It's right here. See, so there's one connector here by Honda. For the North American model, in order for USB to work, you have to buy a harness from Honda that you put under the seat to another connector. So I'll take the seat off and I'll show you. So let's unplug this guy here. All right, pretty easy. I already have a zip tie here. I'm gonna have to change it. I also have the LSK off-road dongle. It's right here, but I'm gonna take the zip tie off. All right, so this is the new cable. This is gonna go into the part here, the USB connector. So this cable goes right where I took the other cable off. So I took the zip tie off, I fish it through. So now to put the connector to this hole, actually the reviews on the internet are pretty straight on. So these are a bit, like the threads are a bit larger than the hole here. So I'm gonna have to file the hole a little bit. So I'm taking a file, making. All right, so now it's good. It came through all the way. Let me put the ring, the securing ring, which I don't think it matters which way, but this will matter here. So matters here because it has this. So what I noticed from the other one, if you put it like this, it's gonna be hard for you to take this out because this part is here. So basically you'll have to have it to pull it either from there or from here. So I'm guessing more like on a side, maybe even like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it towards, so I can put this here, because once you tighten, this will not move. Okay, so this is done. This one needs another zip tie here, maybe. Okay, I'll put one. Not sure if it needs one or not. So now let's, it's up to you if you need to put a zip tie to hold the wires or not. But I'm gonna plug this here. So plus is the red and the yellow color. Okay, and minus hopefully is the other one. All right, let's see first if it works before installing back on. All right, so all right, it does work. It does work. Let's see if it's fast charging. So let's put this here. Let's put the phone and fast charging. All right, it looks good. Cool. All right, so now, as I said, it's up to you if you want to put a zip tie on those wires, if you think they're loose or not. So for me, I'm gonna put a zip tie here to hold the wires together. Just like that. That's it. Good. All right, and put this back on. And there is a little bit of a trick here. That's going here. Okay, that one there, this one here. And that's it. Okay, so let me show you for the American model. Not sure about the European one, but for the North American model, take out the chair and under the seat. All right, so under the seat, let's see where that connector I put it. Where did I put that one? I have to take all this out because it's somewhere here. So this is the one. So Honda actually sells all this stuff. So it's not only this, which Honda would be nice to just let this, but Honda sells the whole thing, which is this, plus so right over here, take this out. So right this one, there's a dummy connector here, which all this wire comes into the dummy connector, and it's basically like so this is a fuse here basically on top. I'm guessing this makes like a, I don't know, like a short between two wires. I'm not sure what it does. I don't know why Honda didn't actually make the connection to have the USB socket on all the time, but anyway, so this is the harness. I'll show it in the description. So this is like a, I don't know, like a 20 bucks, 14 bucks gadget that you have to buy from Honda. I just put it right under here. This is the USB-C, which I put a wire there. Sometimes I use it, but most of the time I don't, since I have the USB in the front. So because here I keep all my stuff. So this is my starter, Norco Boost. This is my pump, electric pump, which comes perfectly here. And this is the wire from the booster. All that you have to do is to put this pin this holding pin back here. Pin is in. And let's put the bolts back on. So basically this is one. Don't tighten this too much. I'm not sure exactly what is the torque for this ones, but I guess just like a little bit hand tight should be good enough. Okay, and let's see. Yep, very good. Let's see if my dongle works. It does. Okay, all good. Oh, that looks good. Okay, nice. So that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if it was helpful. Press like, and I'll see you in the next video.